Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Glimmer stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make a half double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. We're still going to be making half double crochets, but you're going to be making your next one into the first loop of the next single crochet stitch. So it's going to be this loop right here. So this is a single, this is a single. Into this loop right here, you're going to make your next half double. And it's going to look like this. Then into your next stitch, you're just going to make a regular half double. And that's what you're going to start alternating between. Into the next one, into this first loop of this single crochet right here, make a half double. Into this next stitch, regular half double. Into this next one, you're going to make your next half double into this first loop on this single crochet right here. Into this next stitch, regular half double. Into the next single crochet, this loop right here, you're going to make a half double. Into the next stitch, make a half double, just a regular one. Into this next one, you're going to make this half double right here into this first loop on this single crochet. Regular half double in the next stitch. Half double into this first loop of this single crochet right here. Half double in the next stitch. Half double into the first loop of this single crochet right here. Half double in the next stitch. You can see how that is looking. It adds that subtle texture on this row. Half double crochet into the front loop of this next single. Regular half double. Half double into the first loop of this next single. regular half double. And then we only have one stitch left, so we're only going to work one regular half double into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the glimmer stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.